In this video, we listed the 5 best 3D printer under $500 that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Creality Ender 3 Max Neo. The Creality Ender 3 Max Neo is a robust 3D printer designed for both novice and experienced users, featuring a larger build volume of 300 by 300 by 320 mm that enhances creative possibilities by allowing the printing of large models or multiple smaller parts simultaneously. It incorporates advanced technology such as the CR Touch automatic leveling system, which simplifies the leveling process by measuring and adjusting the print height at 25 points on the heat bed. The printer is built with high-precision dual Z-axis coordination and a full metal Bowden extruder, ensuring stability and reducing the risk of printing defects. Additionally, it operates quietly thanks to a 32-bit silent mainboard, maintaining noise levels below 50 dB. Key features include power loss recovery, a filament sensor to monitor material levels, and an easy 3-step assembly process, with 96% of the printer pre-installed. The user-friendly 4.3-inch color knob screen enhances interaction, while Creality offers comprehensive customer support with 24/7 service and a 12-month warranty, ensuring users have assistance whenever needed. Number 2. ELEGOO Mars for Macs. The ELEGOO Mars for Macs is a 3D printer that features a 9.1-inch monochrome LCD screen with a high resolution of 5760 by 3600 and an XY resolution of 34 enabling a printing speed of up to 70 mm per h. It is constructed from materials such as ABS, aluminum, and polycarbonate, and comes in a red color. The printer has a large build volume of 195.8 4 by 122.4 by 150 mm, 7.71 by 4.81 by 5.9 inches, allowing for the creation of larger models or multiple parts in a single batch, thereby enhancing productivity. The Mars for Macs utilizes a COB plus refractive light source for more uniform light distribution across the LCD screen, ensuring finer and more realistic model details. It also includes a double fan cooling system for efficient heat dissipation, which extends the printer's service life. The device supports Voxel and Tango software with 3 printing modes: static, smooth dynamic, and high-speed dynamic mode, allowing for adjustments in printing speed based on the model's cross-section size. Additionally, it incorporates ELEGOO's new open-source GOO slicing format, compatible with various slicing software without restrictions. The printer's dimensions are 12.8-inch dx 12.8, WX 13.94 h and it weighs 22 pounds. Number 3. ANYCUBIC 3D Printer. The ANYCUBIC Cobra 2 Neo 3D printer is an advanced and efficient printing solution designed for both beginners and experienced users. Constructed from durable aluminum, this compact printer features dimensions of 15-inch dx20, WX20 h and weighs just 18 ounces. It boasts an impressive maximum print speed of 250 mm per second, significantly reducing print times by over 65% compared to traditional models, while a recommended speed of 150 mm per second ensures a balance of precision and performance. The upgraded integrated extruder and cooling system facilitate rapid filament melting and cooling, enhancing the overall printing process. With advanced features like linear propulsion and input shaping in Marlin firmware, the printer minimizes spillage and resonance, resulting in high-quality, detailed prints. The LeviQ 2.0 automatic leveling system simplifies setup with intelligent Z-axis compensation, making it user-friendly for novices. Additionally, ANYCUBIC provides excellent customer support, including a 1-year warranty and 24/7 technical assistance, ensuring a reliable and satisfying printing experience. Number 4. Sovol SV0 for IDEX 3D Printer. The Sovol SV0 for 3D printer is a versatile and user-friendly device designed for creators seeking high-quality prints. Featuring independent dual direct drive metal extruders, it supports for different printing modes, enabling simultaneous printing of 2 colors or materials, which enhances creative possibilities. With a generous build volume of 300 by 300 by 400 mm, the SV04 offers more space than its predecessors, SV01 and SV02, and its modular design ensures quick assembly. The printer is equipped with an automatic leveling sensor for optimal bed and nozzle distance, along with a 32-bit TMC2209 silent board for stable and quiet operation. Its flexible spring steel plate allows for easy print removal, while a robust 500W power supply ensures consistent performance. Additionally, the upgraded 4.3-inch LCD touchscreen provides intuitive control and features such as automatic filament replacement and a double filament detector, making the Sovol SV04 an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced users alike. Number 5. Monoprice Voxel 3D Printer. The Monoprice Voxel 3D Printer is a versatile and user-friendly device designed for ease of use and efficient printing. It features a quick-change nozzle system that allows for nozzle replacement in seconds without any tools, significantly reducing downtime compared to other 3D printers. The printer has a removable, flexible build plate that simplifies model removal and can be heated up to 60 degrees Celsius for enhanced printing capabilities. It also boasts auto-leveling technology, arriving fully calibrated and ready to print, with easy adjustments available via its touchscreen interface. The Voxel supports multiple operating systems, including Windows XP through 10, Mac OS X, and Linux, ensuring broad compatibility. Additionally, the printer includes an auto-feeding system with a filament sensor that pauses printing when filament levels are low, preventing incomplete prints. For more information, users can visit the Monoprice website and search for Voxel, or use the part number 33820 to find the product page, download the latest software, and access the manual.